you know what an iBuyer is. Well, by the end of this video, you will know what an iBuyer is. What an iBuyer is like these companies like Open Door that tell you they'll give you a specific price for your home, and you can choose a date on when you move, which sounds super amazing, right? Super simple, but normally when it sounds too good to be true, it's normally too good to be true. What they don't tell you is they're probably gonna lowball you after they tell you what they're gonna pay for your property. On top of that, they're not gonna take a commission, but they're gonna take a fee for doing this work for you. Telling you that you need to do repairs, telling you that you're better off going with them instead of listing it on the real estate market. Now, if you're gonna go this route, it's only really good if you're really distressed and you got no choice. But if you got time and if you don't need to sell to one of these iBuyers, you're best on putting it on the market and listing it and getting top dollar for your property. Now, what these people are telling you is what these people are making off of you is normally upwards of 13% of the sell price, upwards of that. And that's on the low end. That's being modest. Now, another thing that they're not telling you is they'll give you a quote saying, "Hey, yeah, your house is worth $300,000." When they come meet with you, oh, you know what? You got a bunch of stuff you need to fix. Now we're only going to pay $270 for your property, and that's not even including their fee that they're adding on top of it. So what a lot of people are losing in these transactions is normally around $39 to $40, upwards of $39,000 per transaction. Now, I mean, if you are distressed and you need to sell fast, let me know. I got options to help you. I work with investors that are willing to do the same thing, and if you're willing just to give your property away like that, these guys will come through and they're local investors. And instead of giving money to people that are out of the area, that are probably from Phoenix, Arizona, or probably from the Silicon Valley, let's keep our money in our local areas. And on top of that, let's keep your money in your pocket. Let's make sure that you make the most money for selling your property. Don't just give your money away. Now, if you're on the end where you have to and you're stressed and you need to sell fast, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. Shoot, if you're gonna just give it away to somebody, I'll take out a hard money loan and buy your property off you. So that's the difference between going with that is what an iBuyer is. Now, going with the real estate agent, yeah, you're probably gonna pay a commission, but people hear the word commission, they freak out. Don't freak out. You're probably gonna be paying anywhere from, for the commission and the closing costs, probably gonna be paying about 6 to 8% per transaction. These guys are taking upwards of 13% easy, and that's not even coming through with their low ball offer that they're gonna end up giving you at the end. If you want to do business with a straight shooter, hit up your boy Frank Donnelly, the sailor that sells homes. I'm gonna be honest with you, straightforward with you, and never bullshit you. And if I don't know something, I got people that I know I can go to, and there's some amazing things out there that are called books and the internet, and I will find out anything from my clients and the people that I serve. Have a great day.